aboard. We welcome you and Ron Pullman will be playing the tune with Naisha and Miss Sophia too. The SGL cruise soon will be making another run. The SGL cruise promise there's something for everyone. Whether you're black, white, or gay, straight or a lesbian,
Everybody's welcome.
Sister Quintella,
Hola.
Nicole of Dupree,
Judy Osborne.
Flame Monroe, and even me, SGL. Come join the fun with SGL Cruise, baby.
But them burgers, though.